Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Like I said, it was like everything's just been a dream and we still can't believe that it's happening finally.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah, really good.
What's going on? We got there. Well done, guys. Well done. The goal of this is to celebrate, awesome. It's also to get the negative things or the things that you guys potentially would fix. Maybe let's start there. Does anything pop to mind where you guys go, criticism, here's a bit of feedback that I'd like to improve, or no?
Trying to think.
It just seemed to happen really quickly. It's like, oh my gosh, we weren't quite prepared for it to happen as quick as it did. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. For us, it was just getting our heads across the process again. Having like that flow chart really helped. But at the same time, it was like, oh my God, this is happening right now.
Mm.
And, everybody was great. Absolutely. The support was 100% what we needed.
Even with us being unprepared, it was really easy, to be honest. Everyone going through and organising and everything, and then coming to us and going, okay, these are the decisions you need to make. That was really helpful.
There's no criticisms of the way that the team handled anything.
No, it's great.
From Roxanne and Helen, everybody was just, they were super onto it.
Anything else? Anything else that goes through your mind of, I'd fix this, or I felt unease, or I felt something there, or no?
No, honestly, not really. No.
Okay.
No, it's been made so easy. That's the biggest part.
Anything else that pops to mind that you guys go, yep, I really, really love this. This is epic.
The flow chart was actually really helpful. Like I referred to that a couple of times, being like, okay, do I need to be doing anything right now? And I know that you guys would have been onto that absolutely if we did need to do anything, and you were, which was really helpful. It was good to have like a visual representation of like, okay, this is the next step. This is what we need to be doing next. Has this been organised? Do we need to do anything on our end? So that was really, really helpful to like have the guidance without having to reach out to somebody as well. Because, even though all of you guys kept responding out of hours, we never expected any of that. It's just like, we just need to like get this out there. And then somebody's replying. They're like, no, you should be there.
1 to 10, 10 being really good, 1 being really crap. The knowledge of the entire team of Fresh Start, what would you rate that?
9.999.
Yeah, that'd be right. I don't think there was a single thing we asked that wasn't immediate response, and clarification if we needed it.
How punctual did you find the Fresh Start team?
12 out of 10.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. It was alarming.
How satisfied were you with the purchase of the property?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, that's better than anything I would have expected. Yeah, it's a great house.
How likely are you to recommend Fresh Start Advisory Service to a friend, family, or colleague?
I've already referred 2 people.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for being awesome. I really, really appreciate it from all of us.
So do we.
Yeah.
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
We can't wait to go again.
Yeah, I think we're looking for the next one now.